How to remove bath mat stains from bathtub with a vinegar solution. Distilled white vinegar has proven to be the best natural, non-toxic cleaning magic ingredient that works wonders on many surfaces for a variety of stains, including hard water bath mat stains. It kills bacteria, dissolves mineral deposits and loosens the stains. The measurements for the ingredients are as follows. 2 cups of distilled white vinegar, 2 cups of hot water, a spray bottle, a soft bristled brush or sponge. Follow these instructions to remove bath mat stains. 1. Mix the white vinegar and hot water in equal measure. 2. Spray the solution all over the bathtub. 3. Let it sit for 30 minutes or more. As it soaks, the acidity in the vinegar will break down the dirt, grime and discoloration. You will see the stains dissolve and float on the surface before you even begin scrubbing. 4. Take a soft bristled brush, if your tub can handle it, or a sponge and scrub over the stains gently. Continue adding vinegar as you scrub until all the stains come off completely. 5. Turn on the shower head and pour water over the stains to rinse away every trace of dissolved grime in the dirty vinegar solution. Need to remove a stain? Remember to check out howtoremovestains.com.